Good morning, students. We are going to continue the study of tense. We continue past perfect continuous tense. Structure had been. Had been plus ing verb. In what situation it's used? It's used for action going on for some time in the past. In the past time, action was going on continuous for some time. Continuous for some time. Example: he had been reading for 2 hours. He had been reading for 2 hours. It means action was continuous for some time. Sometime is for 2 hours. He had been reading for 2 hours. We can add some more information. We can also say he had been reading for 2 hours when I arrived. When I arrived. This sentence also we can say. He had been reading for 2 hours, or we can add some more information. We can say he had been reading for 2 hours when I arrived. Clear? We can add more information. Without information or more information, both possible. So you must learn how information added in past perfect continuous tense. Another example. He had been sleeping for 6 hours. He had been sleeping for 6 hours. Or also we can say at that time. At that time, he had been sleeping for 6 hours. Another example. He had been working for 5 hours. He had been working for 5 hours. Or we can add some more information. We can say he needed some rest. He needed some rest after he had been working for 5 hours. You can say only short, he had been working for 5 hours. Or you can also add information like he needed some rest after he had been working for 5 hours. Another example. Generally, what we add past simple tense. Clear? We add past simple tense. Another example, the teacher had been teaching for half an hour. The teacher had been teaching for half an hour. Or we can add some more information. When we will add, we can say, the teacher had been teaching for half an hour when I went to see him. When I went to see him. You can also add this one. When I went to see him. Clear? You can also add in past perfect continuous some more information, and that information generally is in past simple tense. Clear? Now second number use. For present perfect. Present for present perfect continuous and past continuous in past indirect speech. When the sentence is indirect speech, past indirect speech, in that situation, for present perfect continuous not used, past perfect continuous used. Past continuous not used, past perfect continuous use. Example. First number, Rahul said, I have been singing for 2 hours. This is direct speech. Direct speech. Rule is that and I have been singing, present perfect continuous tense, but we have to use indirect speech. In indirect speech, present perfect continuous not used, past perfect continuous used. In indirect speech, indirect any tense used, but in indirect speech, present perfect, for present perfect continuous we will use past perfect continuous, and for past continuous we will use past perfect continuous. Same. For present perfect continuous and past continuous we use past perfect continuous. Clear? It is present perfect continuous, so we will use past perfect continuous. Its indirect will be, Rahul said that. Rahul said that he had, not have, had. Rahul said that he had been singing for 2 hours. Clear? Second, Sita said I was talking to him. Sita said I was talking to him. Past continuous not used. In indirect past continuous use past perfect continuous. Sita said that she had been talking. Sita said that she had been talking to him. So you understand now that in indirect speech we don't use present perfect continuous and past continuous. In indirect speech, both present perfect continuous and past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Clear? So students, I hope you understand. That's all for today. Thank you.